Ever wondered why some stains prove stubborn to your regular laundry detergent, while others are a breeze to clean? Welcome to the fascinating world of detergent chemistry. At the heart of any detergent is a special class of chemicals known as surfactants. These are the real heroes of your laundry routine. Their primary job is to break down the boundary between water and oils and fats that cause stains on your clothes. They do this by reducing the surface tension of water, making it less likely to stick to itself and more likely to interact with oil and grease, breaking them up into tiny droplets. Let's delve a bit deeper into the workings of surfactants. Each surfactant molecule has two parts: a hydrophilic, or water-loving head, and a hydrophobic, or water-hating tail. When you add detergent to water, the hydrophobic tails try to escape from water, leading to the formation of tiny bubbles or micelles. The oils and fats in the stain are drawn into the micelles, effectively becoming trapped. This allows them to be washed away easily, leaving your clothes clean and fresh. But enough of theory. How about a practical demonstration of this process? We've gathered a group of willing participants to test the efficiency of different detergent formulations. Each participant has been given a fabric swatch stained with a common household substance, such as coffee, wine, or grass, and a choice of detergents to try and remove the stain. Watch as they experiment with different techniques, from rubbing the fabric to soaking it overnight. Some stains prove more challenging than others, but with a bit of perseverance and the right detergent, all are eventually removed. Notice how the surfactants in the detergent work to lift the stain from the fabric, allowing it to be washed away. So, what have we learned from this exercise? Firstly, not all detergents are created equal. Some are better at tackling particular types of stains than others. Secondly, the method of application can make a big difference to the end result. For example, soaking a stain overnight can often yield better results than simply washing it out. In conclusion, understanding the chemistry of detergents can help you make more informed choices about which products to use, ultimately saving you time and effort in your cleaning routine. Remember, it's all about those surfactants. Before we wrap up, here's a final tip. When selecting a detergent, look for one that contains a range of surfactants to tackle a variety of stains. And don't forget to check the concentration. More isn't always better, but you do want to ensure there's enough surfactant to do the job effectively. That's all for today's deep dive into detergent chemistry. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to the Mela Product Development PLC YouTube channel for more fascinating insights into everyday products. Stay curious and keep exploring.